बनावट नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट जारी केल्ल्या प्रकरणात संबंधित आरोपी आड चौकशी पुराय करून पोलीस कागाळ दाखल केल्या आणि त्या कर्मचाऱ्याक निलंबित केल्या अशी माहिती मडगाव नगरपालिकेचो मुखेल अधिकारी मधू नार्वेकार हांणी दिली। तशेंच 2 वर्सां पयलीं होली स्पिरिट सोबा वसुलीतल्या 17 लाख रुपयांच्या फटवणूक प्रकरणात निलंबित केल्ल्या योगेश शेटकारांच्या आड स्वतंत्र चौकशी सुरू आसा। ही चौकशी बेगीन पुराय करून प्रकरण निमण्या पावण्यार व्हरतले अशें नार्वेकार सांगता।
तुमची फेक सिग्नेचर केली, स्टॅम्प मारलो, तुम्ही पोलीस कंप्लेन केल्या, किती झालं?
No, understand has come to notice that ask that a non-availability certificate issued by the Mahesh Gulati person has signed fraudulently on the by the undersigned. Undersigned is called it, verified. He told me that I had signed it. So I filed a police complaint and the concerned staff also suspended on Friday.
This is the only case he has done, or there may be more?
I'm not sure, but I have received only this case.
So the administrator have asked to file the audit on this
On the what basis?
regarding this fake
He
issue
directed
of.
to file a complaint that is already filed, and also he told me to suspend. It also suspend on Friday.
The audit of all the such non-available certificate which are been issued since January 26. That report we have put to you to submit here.
Not sure.
What happened to the inquiry of Yogesh Shetkar, who has been
The
suspended now?
preliminary inquiry was conducted. IO investigation officer was deputed to conduct an inquiry that is not finalized, still in process.
So any recovery in that?
Still in the process of inquiry, disciplinary proceeding yet not completed. Once the completed, the report will be completed.
Now
Then
is IO.
Deepak Desai was appointed.
He was, but now he's been transferred. Now,
The police continuous process.
concerned about number. Only once a hearing has been held, I think.
We will expedite that completion.
You have to now.
So it's been almost 2 years now.
Okay, you have to write to him now.
It's been almost more than 2 years.
Process follows.